Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn one of the concept, that is open equal to high and open equal to low. Okay, so this is the concept that we can use for intraday. That is open means the price opening, that is first candle of the day. Say for example, for intraday we can consider it as first 5 minutes candle. Okay, so in the opening bell, that is after the trading starts, if the open price of the stock remains, any stock you can look into or index also. Okay, open price of the stocks remain equal to the day's low price. Okay, then the traders can consider it as a buying opportunity. So if the open price equal to day's low, that is low, open and low should be equal price, then what can we do? We can look for buying opportunity, that is buy the stocks. In the other hand, if the open price of the stock remains equal to the day's high, that is open price equal to high, okay, then what the traders can look it as a selling opportunity, that is open equal to high, then we can look for selling the stocks. All right. So I will show that in the chart, and this is the Nifty. So this is only for intraday, that is open equal to high and low. So the 5 minutes chart you can use. Okay. So what is the first concept we are going to look is open equal to high. Then in that case we are going to look for sell the stocks. Okay. So if you are doing options, in that case you can look for buy the put option. So buy the P. Okay. So here this is for open equal to high. In that case we are going to look for sell the stocks, or if you are trading the options, then you can look for buy the put. Okay. So here we can see this is the first 5 minutes candle, and we can see here the opening price. Okay. So here we can look into the opening price for that particular first candle. Here we can see that open equal to we can see that is 23,689.50, and high also we can see it as 23,689.50. So I will put an arrow mark here. You can look into it. I will keep the cursor. Okay. So here, so the open price equal to 23,689.50 and high also remains, that is 23,689.50 for the first 5 minutes candle. So in this case you can look for buy the put option. So after that we can see market was consolidating for a first 5 to 15 20 minutes market was consolidating. After that we can see that we can see the reversal from the pivot point, and we can see that price touched the next support level. So this is the concept, that is open equal to high, we can look for sell the stocks. Okay. Then we look into the one more concept, that is open equal to low, then we can look for buy the stocks, or we can buy the call option. So next concept we can see, that is open equal to low, then you can look for open equal to low, then you can look for buy the stocks, or you can look for buy the call option. Okay, buy CE. All right. So this is the first 5 minutes candle, and the open price for this particular stock is 1,213.60, and low also we can see that 1,213.60. So in this case we can look for call option, but in this case you have to look into other criteria also. We can see this this is the first 5 minutes candle, and this is above the pivot point. Okay. Stop loss you can keep the low of the first 5 minutes candle, and after that you can look for entering into the long trade. Same for buying the selling the stocks also, or buying the put option. You can keep the first 5 minutes candles high as stop loss if you are looking for buying the PE trade, that is looking for selling the stocks. Okay. After that we can see that Reliance touched to the next resistance level, that is 1225.65. all right. Next, one more example. This is the Bajaj Finance chart, first 5 minutes candle. So here this is the first 5 minutes candle, and open equal to high, that is open equal to 7350, and high also 7350. So in that case you can look for sell the stocks. Okay. So the stop loss you can keep the high of this particular red candle. Okay, and after that we can see no, Bajaj Finance broken the low, and after that touched the next no, support. Okay, so this is how we have to use the concept, that is open equal to high and open equal to low. So this is the Jubilant Foodworks. Okay, first 5 minutes candle we can see here. This is the first 5 minutes candle, and this is the open equal to low. Open equal to 752.60. Low is equal to 752.60. So in this case we are looking to buy the stocks. So this is only for intraday. So this is one more additional confirmation we are getting in order to enter into the long and the short trade. So you can use other confirmations, that is other indicators also, in order to confirm into enter into your trades. So here I am using the CPR, that is prices above the CPR. Also in that case we got the first green candle, also the concept, that is open equal to low, also we got. So in this case we can look for the long trade, keeping the low as stop loss. Okay, so after that we can see that there is a good move in this particular stock. All right. So this is the Apollo Hospitals. Okay, first 5 minutes candle we can look here, the open equal to 7137.40 and low also 7137.40, that is open equal to low. So in this case we can look for buy the stocks. Okay, above this we can look for buying the stocks. So after that we can see that there is a breakout in this particular stock, and we can look for long trade opportunities. So till now we have learned the concept open, high and low, and how to trade based on that. Now the next question is like how to find out this particular stocks. Okay, so we can filter out those stocks using the charting. So this is the charting screener. So we are looking for the condition, that is 5 minutes open equal to 5 minutes high. Okay, so when you click on run scan, okay, so every 5 minutes this screener will run. So if you click on run scan, these are the stocks that we can see. Okay, so when you scroll down here we can see the time till till 3:30. So we are looking for today's, that is 24th 9:15, that is first 5 minutes candle we are looking into. So click on that. So these are the stocks that we got in the screener for the 9:15. Here we can see the date, that is 24th Jan 2025, and the time is 9:15. Okay, so first is about India. So we'll copy and we'll paste here. So here this condition, this 5 minutes candle, we can see the open equal to 27,959.85 and high also the same. And we can see this particular stock is trading below the first 5 minutes candle, and it was trading below only. So in this condition we are looking for selling opportunity. Okay, so we can see the next stock. Okay, this one. Here this one also we can see that is open equal to high only. Okay, this condition. And after that we can see that the particular stock also trading below the first 5 minutes candle. Okay, we will see one more, that is Divi Slab. This particular stock also, that is open equal to high, and after that 5 minutes below the first 5 minutes candle we can look for selling trade. That is, after that we can see here this price is also trading below the CPR, and after that we can see here selling opportunities here also. So this is the customized indicator developed by me, that is TCLC, dynamic support and resistance. Okay, so this indicator will work very well for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I have explained in the video how to enter into the trade and target and what will be the stop loss. Okay, so if you're interested you can click on the link in the description box below, that is Telegram, or through WhatsApp you can contact me. Okay, so here that is on 23rd Jan we got the breakout above this particular level and above the 200 EMA, and we have to look for long trade opportunity. And 22nd we didn't get any trade in our particular indicator till till 2 o'clock. After the 2:10 we got the green candle above this particular support level, and keep the lower stop loss. We can enter into the trade for the next resistance level. This is my Telegram channel, Trader Chitra, currently having 10k plus subscribers. Okay, So there are so many fake channels under my name and they are using my pictures. So this is a free Telegram channel. In this channel, I'll be posting the Nifty and Bank Nifty support and the resistance level, and also breakout stocks, that is CPR breakout stocks. Also I will be posting, and I will be posting the support and resistance level. This channel is only for educational purpose. Okay. So those who are interested can join this Telegram channel. Okay. So the link is available in the description box below, and my WhatsApp number also available in the description box below. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.